Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common car issue: how to test an oxygen sensor with just a multimeter. This simple guide will help you diagnose engine problems and potentially save you money on repairs. First, let's talk about safety and the tools you'll need. Always work on a cool engine. Disconnect the car battery before starting. Wear safety glasses and gloves. You will need a digital multimeter, and if you need to lift your car, use a car jack and sturdy jack stands. The oxygen sensor, often called an O2 sensor, is usually located in your exhaust system. There are typically two types: upstream, before the catalytic converter, and downstream, after it. Consult your car's manual if you're unsure of its exact location. It looks like a small cylinder with several wires coming out. Most sensors have 1, 2, 3, or 4 wires. The number of wires affects how you test it. For 3 or 4 wire sensors, we first test the heater circuit. This circuit helps the sensor warm up quickly. Set your multimeter to ohms ohm symbol. Disconnect the O2 sensor's electrical connector. Identify the 2 heater wires, they are often the same color. Touch your multimeter probes to these 2 heater wires. A good reading will typically be between 3 to 30 ohms. If you get a very high reading, like 004 open circuit, or a very low reading, close to 0 ohms, indicating a short, the heater circuit is faulty, and the sensor needs replacement. Next, we test the signal voltage, which shows the sensor's actual performance while the engine is running. Reconnect the O2 sensor connector. Start your car and let the engine warm up completely to its normal operating temperature. Set your multimeter to DC volts, V. You will need to back probe the signal wire. This means carefully inserting a thin probe or a small paper clip into the back of the connector, making contact with the signal wire's terminal without disconnecting it. The signal wire is often black or white. Connect your red multimeter lead to this signal wire. Connect the black multimeter lead to a good engine ground point. Observe the voltage readings on your multimeter. A healthy oxygen sensor will show a rapidly fluctuating voltage. It should cycle quickly between approximately 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts, changing several times per second. If the voltage stays consistently low, near 0.1 V, it indicates a lean condition. If it stays consistently high, near 0.9 V, it indicates a rich condition. If the voltage remains stagnant and doesn't change at all, or changes very slowly and sluggishly, the sensor is likely bad and needs to be replaced. Remember to turn off your engine and disconnect the battery again before replacing any faulty parts. That's how you test an O2 sensor with a multimeter. It's a straightforward process that can pinpoint issues and save you diagnostic costs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful car repair guides. Your support helps this channel grow, and we appreciate every single one of you.